Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V tutorials. Okay, today we'll be looking at this very not coin analysis. Are we to buy or are we not to buy? How does even this not coin has been moving ever since the first day it was launched? Do you really want to make profit like right now? Then listen to this analysis. Watch this video from the beginning to the end to see how exactly this is going to profit you in the next 24 hours. Okay? All right. If this is exactly the right information for you, welcome to my channel. If you are coming across to this very channel for the first time, do well to subscribe, like my videos, and as well share my videos so that we can keep moving. Okay? So all you just need to do is to come over to this place and have a very good look. How have these been doing? Okay, for the past 7 days. Let's click on this one day to see. Looking at this place, it was 0.009, right? What date was this? Check. Look at the date displayed here. This was July 5th. Okay, this was what? July 5th. It went as low as what? As 0.009, which is here, and later rise. And later rise to what? To this. And later rise to 0.01446, which is this. That is a very good move, right? Okay. And in the before then, the highest it has ever gone since the day it was launched was this 0.294. That is the highest it has gone. And check it out. When was this date? When was this date? Click on it to check. When was this date? It was on the June 2nd. It was on the what? On the June 2nd. Okay. How low it has been? Let's see. It was launched at this rate 0.0000500. That was where this was launched. Okay. This is to show you that from the day it was launched, it has gone to a maximum high of 0.029. Right? And it was launched at what? At this 0.0005. Okay. Okay. When was this launched? Let's see. It was launched on May 16. From May 16 to its highest here was June 2nd. June 2nd. That is, it took roughly 2 weeks for it to triumph to its highest value. Okay. Now you can see it. Okay. Let's look at it 4 hours. How it has been doing. You can see for the past 4 hours, it has been going up, down, up, down. You can see. So from all these indications now, it shows that Notcoin is a very flexible coin that can easily go up and come back down. Okay. And one of the major things that warrants you to invest in the Notcoin is because it's a tone coin. Okay. It's using a what? A tone network. because it was launched under what? Under Tone, under Tone blockchain. You can see. And from the market today, Notcoin, Tone coin has gained a maximum popularity due to what? The Notcoin itself and the hamster combat that is using the Tone blockchain. Okay, so this is to show you that clicking at the Bolliger band, you can see this will be a good investment now to 20 from now to 24 hours or to even 48 hours. So if you're seeing this very coin now, all you just need to do is buy and wait out to catch your profit. Okay, so all you just need to do is to invest right now if you're seeing this video now and wait for maximum 48 hours to catch up the profit. Okay, so this is not actually an investment advice, it's an analysis that will definitely lead you to profit. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. I'll be stopping here now. If you're seeing this now, dive into it and buy. But if you didn't see it on time, make sure you look at its current situation, its current movement before investing on it. Okay, so thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. If you have any question, drop it in the comment sections. I'll attend to you ASAP. Okay, thank you and bye bye.